Hi everybody, welcome today on PlanningPME Web Access. I will now show you how to manage leaves and unavailabilities. I will now create a new unavailability under resource journwide. Here, annual paid leave. And I will now save it. I will have the possibility to modify my unavailability later by clicking right. I can modify the status here, for example, and change the status into the status approved. I will now go into the menu data, then choose unavailability. I will now press add and create a new label. In this case, I will write down the label exceptional leave. I will have the possibility to apply a color to this new label, in this case a green color. I will choose the color and save the new label. I will now go back on the schedule. I will create a new unavailability under resource Megan Cox, here exceptional leave. And I will now save it. If I want, I have the possibility to check all the unavailabilities under resource Megan Cox by clicking on the resource card, and I will now access all the different unavailabilities. Thank you for your attention and see you soon for new videos.